Purple Lambo. Purple Lambo. Damn, that thing looks wild. Do you think he's a sports ball player? It says Dallas 7 on the back. What basketball or football player is number 7? You guys leave it in the comments. Drives a purple Lambo with gold wheels. Looks like the Penguins car. Bumpy, bumpy. Every road I ride, bumpy as could possibly be. Dusty. Gotta be careful. I don't like the dusty. Blind corners, full of dirt. It's like some salt truck came through here or something. That SUV scared the shit out of me. Puckered bunghole. My heart is pounding. That was a white Ford Explorer and I'm going way too fast. I never go this way. This is sick. Look at this corner. My goodness. That's a sweeper. Oh, we're gonna go back and do that again. Let that white SUV get a little farther ahead of me. Do a little goofy dancing. Got some goofy dancing. Goofy dancing. You can go way faster through those corners, so I was just taking it easy. Ease off on the straights, don't need to cause too much havoc. This sweeping left-hander is epic. Let's do it! Fighting the wind the whole time. Alright. We're gonna try to go the other direction and not get interrupted. And give it the beans. Gotta give it the beans. Just gotta crest this hill, make sure no one's coming so I can pop a Yui. And 60 miles an hour. Oh, that wind is fighting me. The whole time. leaning into it right now. I feel the wind just really pushing me that way. Should be interesting in a left-hander. Yeah. What a good corner section. I have to remember that. There's also a police station right down this road, so you got to be real careful what you do around here. I'll turn around. Shit, this guy's down. All right, time to help another brother out. Got an Aprilia down, boys. He seems alright. Let's go help him out. You alright?
Yeah, I fell because of the rocks.
You okay though?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Let's get your bike up, see if it can be ridden. Did you just go like right into the grass?
Yeah, I hit the rocks and I was like, oh man. Dang it, dude.
Yeah, this sucks. It'll be alright. It went through mostly grass. Let's do that.
Some of the...
Here, well, you'll grab the tail section. I'll grab the handlebars. Let me get a good grip on it. There you go. Looks like your bars made it, so you'll be able to ride as long as you got a shifter.
Yeah, dude. I don't think I crashed really that hard.
Yeah, that looks fair. Like, might be a little nubbed off, but you'll be able to shift with your toe.
Those rocks.
Yeah, someone must have come in here with a truck or something and spit them all out. Here, let's push this thing out of this junk. Alright, well.
Low. But then once I hit those rocks on the side,
Yeah, that's a corner that's really easy to have that happen too. It's that or the guy that mows the grass shoots it all out into the damn road.
I hit those rocks like into a turn. I was like, I felt the kick out underneath me, and I was like,
I didn't even see those. I came through here not that long ago, unless that just happened.
I came here not too long ago either.
Yeah, that must have just happened. Someone must have came off and spit them out. I think you'll be able to shift though. This plastic might just be in the way a little bit. You want to see if it'll start? You're in fourth. Let's see if I can get you back into neutral. Oh, that's reversed. Oh, yeah, it's just in between gears. Here, I'll push the back tire. Yeah, the adrenaline's probably going to wear off. You'll feel a little sore, but... Did you hit your head or anything, the helmet?
Yes, it did.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Neck or anything?
No, I kind of feel my wrists.
It'd be throbbing real bad if it was broken, so you probably just have some, like, maybe stretched it.
I was going fast.
Yeah. Man, that sucks for him. Ugh. Basically a brand new basically a brand new Aprilia. Hit something. Maybe his bike is what spit all those rocks out because it's kind of closer. He went down somewhere up here. But yeah, he was very, he repeated himself a lot, kind of made me nervous that his head was maybe hurting, but I think it's probably just fear and like just feeling awful for crashing. I gotta find my key and get off this corner. I'm not comfortable being on this corner. This is a very dangerous spot. Well, I'm glad I was able to help him. I told him I was going to follow him towards where he's got to break off and go home, so he's a little nervous to ride after the crash. But I think his bike's alright. He's just going to have to shift very nimbly because he's got the little nub hanging off for his shift lever. Alright, let's get up behind him and see if we can get him home. He had some oil coming out near the top of the gas tank, but I was telling him I'm pretty sure that's just from it being leaned over. I would have assumed it wouldn't be oil, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe it just came, there's something that oil came out of, because it was definitely dark and it wasn't coolant. Oh, what's he got going on here? Mr. Schiff? Bike might have stalled. Yeah, it's probably the same oil that spilled out through up here. I bet you it's, I don't fully know how it works, but I was assuming because it was leaned over, oil was spilling out the top somewhere, maybe through the intake, and then it just kind of seeped down. So I'm imagining that's just mess that seeped out and it's just on the engine. You can just wash it off. There's definitely oil in your boot though. Yeah, I don't know anything about Aprilias really, like how to reset them. I know they have a lot of technology. Poor guy. Got him out of the ditch and got him on the road after he was a little bit nervous to ride. The bike went into limp mode, I guess. I don't know enough about Aprilia's electronics, but yeah, it just conked out mid-ride, and initially it let you try and start it. The starter was kicking over, and then it went to not doing that at all. And then, yeah, it's just kind of sitting there dead. It's throwing some error code about catastrophic issue. Definitely scary to see a fellow rider go down, but I spent at least an hour with him trying to help him out. Hopefully he gets his bike back. He's got a tow truck coming. I have to get home, so I had to leave him. A couple other bikes stopped, a couple trucks stopped. That was cool. Good people out here keeping track of everybody's safety and making sure we're all good. But it's an easy reminder, hey, like, even the way I ride out here, not too terribly safe a lot of the times. That shit can happen, so try to help anybody that you can when that happens to someone else, because you definitely don't want to be dealing with that on your own. Having someone stop and help is super nice. Anyways, weird ending to a video, but you guys ride safe. Take it easy. We'll be out here next time, hopefully with a little more fun and less drama.